this presentation, I will provide you the idea of direct type analog to digital converter. First, I will discuss what is analog to digital converter, then different types of analog to digital converter like direct type analog to digital converter and integrated type analog to digital converter. Then we will give the brief, means totally explanative of each type of direct or examples of direct type analog to digital converter. So analog to digital converter. Here analog to digital converter, we are providing the input analog input VA and we get the output digital. This is D1, D2, D3 up to Dn minus 1 Dn. Dn is the LSB, LSB is the last, this one is the first bit, means starting bit, okay. LSB and MSB, okay, the higher significant. So now there are two extra bit which is not present in extra digital to analog converter, that is start bit and end of conversion EOC, okay. So start bit, start input tell ADC when to start the conversion, and EOC, it is end of conversion. So here input is reference voltage, okay. So this is the total circuit. So here this converting D1, D2, D3, D is equal to D1 2 inverse plus D2 2 minus 2, Dn 2 minus n. This formula we already read in the analog to, digital to analog converter formula, okay. Now as we got the operation, so now there are types of analog to digital converter, or we can say A by D converter, or A to D converter, any one we can say. Analog to digital converter are two types. First one is direct type analog to digital converter. Second one is integrating type analog to digital converter. Direct type analog to digital converter, it compare the analog signal and convert to digital code. Okay, only it compares. But integrating type analog to digital converter, first change analog to linear function of time and frequency, then convert to digital code. What is the basic difference? Direct type ADC, it only compares the analog signal and convert to digital code, whereas integrating type ADC, it first change the analog into linear function of time and frequency, then convert to digital code. Examples of direct type ADC, that are flash type ADC or parallel comparator type ADC, counter type ADC or ramp type ADC, successive approximation type ADC, Turking or servo ADC, analog to digital converter. So here I will cover, or in the syllabus it is there, flash or parallel comparator type ADC, counter type ADC, successive approximation type ADC, analog to digital converter. So example of integrating type. Integrate means what? It first convert to certain function of time and frequency, then it compare with the analog signal. Okay. So examples are dual slope analog to digital converter and charge balancing analog to digital converter. In the syllabus only dual slope analog to digital converter is there. So I will cover only dual slope, that in the next slide. Next. So the parallel comparator plus A to D converter. So it name suggests the parallel comparator. So comparators are there. So here you can see how many comparators are there. Here I am doing one 3-bit. Okay. So here how many? 2 to 3. It is 8 bit. See 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 8 bit. 8 comparators are there. So here one reference voltage here is there, okay, R, all this reference that it is giving to the negative terminal, means inverting terminal, it is giving input to the inverting terminal. So what is the voltage here? See only ground here, so ground. This voltage, this second means X1 output, this op amp has a voltage is what? Total resistance, it is 8R divided by R. So 1 by 8 multiplied with the voltage VR. So what is here? It is 2 by 8 VR. Here 3 by 8 VR, 4 by 8 VR, 5 by 8 VR, 6 by 8 VR, because 6 resistance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by total 8. Here 7 by 8 VR. Okay. and analog input VA is giving input to the positive terminal of all the op-amp, or we can say comparator. Okay, how the comparator operation performs? If VA more than VD means analog input which is providing to positive terminal, if more than VD, this logic 1 we already know in the comparator concept. If VA less than VD, it is logic 0 because 0 voltage is there. Okay, so if VA less than VD, it is logic 0. VA more than VD, logic 1. If VA equal to VD, what is the previous output that will we get? Okay, VA more than VD, logic 1. VA less than VD, logic 0, and VA is equal to VD, previous value. For example, input value here it is 0. Okay, 0 input is, for example, I am giving input is 1.5 volt or something. Okay, here input 1 point and it is 0. It is more than 1.5. 1.5 input is more than 0 here. 1.5 is more than 0. So if input is more than 0, what I will get? 1. Similarly, you compare with this reference. If it is more than, less than, or equal to. If more than, it is give 1. If it is less than, it give what? 0. If it is equal, if it is the previous value. Okay, so now here in this case, for example, if input voltage is more than 1 by 8 VR, so x1 I will get 1, and it also more than 0, so x0 also 1. Okay, other value will be 0 because that if other values are 0 means it is less than 2 by 8 VR but more than 1 by 8 VR, so I will get 1 here, others are 0, like this operation. If it is more than 7 by 8 VR means it is more, it will also more than 6 by 8 VR, 5 by 8 VR, 4 by 8 VR, 3 by 8 VR. Okay, so after getting this, the output will going to 8 to 3. Priority encoder. Priority encoder means depend upon the last bit or most significant bit. What is the, if 1 is there, that will be converted to that coding format. Okay, so here if it is 0 to V8, VR by 8. If it is 0 to VR by, as previous slide we have seen, if it is 0 to VR by 8. Okay, if it is 0 to, what is that? X0, first op amp. See, this is 1. Okay, other will be 0. So if XC0 is 1 means this parity encoder output is 0 0 0. If it is VR2 by 8 to VR means second, the output is X1. So here we get X0, X1 both will be 1 1 because it is also greater than 1, greater than 0. So both are 1 1. 1 means it is X1. So here 1. So after writing that, it is, we write the only value. How to write it easily? Write the values of, what is the value we get? 0 VR by 8. Next VR by 4, 3 VR by 8, VR by 2, 5 VR by 8. You see your what, that diagram. Okay, then 3 VR by 4, 7 VR by 8. Okay, and VR. So here this will come to here. So this range you can show it in the op-amp side. Okay, so here it will be 1 1 means it is 1. This is simply parity encoder. It is x2 means it is 2. 2 means 1 0. So 2 VR for 3. Okay. Now 3 VR by 8 to VR by 2. So all 4 will be how high because VA more than VD. So like this operation you can proceed. So this is the truth table. Okay. Any doubt? So this is the truth table. Okay. Now, so advantages and disadvantages of flash type of ADC. So it is simple, positive analog to digital converter, fastest technique. Disadvantage is most expensive because here we need a number of comparator, almost double of each bit. For example, here 3 means 8 we need it. If 4 means we need 16. Okay, double. If 5 means we need 32. So it is more expensive and difficult to implement. So counter, next type, first is example is over, second type ADC. Second is counter type ADC, or we can say ramp type ADC, analog to digital converter. So it based on a principle that adjust the ADC DAC input code until DAC's output. See here, because here we have what the input analog will be provided. Okay, after we are generating a circuit, it will give a digital value. the digital analog format, the digital analog input code until the DAC's output, digital to analog converters output comes within. First what do we do here? Initially we check the digital output converter. Okay, what analog value, we will certain generate an initial value of a digital signal and we convert it to digital to analog converter. Then we compare with analog value and it should be always in the range plus or minus LSB by 2. So it always range plus or minus LSB by 2, which is to be converted to binary digital format. Okay, thus extra suitable logic code to perform the code search. So here this is a circuit C. This is the binary counter, extra circuit, comparator. Only previous circuit one comparator, with 8 comparators there. Here only one comparator. Okay, for 3 bit also or more than also. Only one comparator is sufficient and one clock. Okay. Now when reset starts, okay, when we press the reset, so it reset. It starts from 0. Okay. This 0 means here our LSB, all bits dn minus 1 up to 1, it will be 0, 0, 0. So here this analog value will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So analog value 0, 0 it gives to the negative input terminal of the comparator. Analog value it always greater than 0, what is giving the input. So if it is greater than 0 means comparator output is high because we are giving to positive terminal. So high and get is what? If input is high, two input, one input is high, second input is also high, then we will get a high output. So we will enable the binary counter. So counter will start. Okay, it is the first when initially. Then second it enable, then it will generate. Then second, next go to second count. 1. Okay, 1 means 0, 0, 0, 0, 7 zeros, 1, 1. So it will convert it to one value. It will compare with VL. Okay, if it is compare, the comparator, if it is more than that, if VA value, VA means this analog value, what is converted, that MSB, that binary data is there, that is converted to analog value, digital to analog converter. Okay, if it is more than, VA is more than VD. Okay, if VA is more than, means this is high. So this will be this AND gate will be enabled because high we will get a high. So binary will count the next count. Okay, if VD for certain instant, if VD for condition VD less than VA. Okay, if VD less than VA, then the output of comparator, then this output of comparator will what? If VD less than VA, it is low, 0, 0 means this clock 1, this input is 0, 0 means this is low, so it can't count the binary, so it stops, get disabled and stop the transmission, and the value what we got digital, that is the digital value. So it is converted analog, this is the input analog value, it convert to digital. Okay, D1, D2, D2 up to Tn, we get the value. Next one type, third type or last type of uh, direct type ADC, this is successive approximation type ADC. So it is an efficient code search strategy. Here one successive approximation register is there, one comparator, one digital to analog converter. It has 2 points, one is start, one is end of conversion. Okay, so operation, okay, it use trial and hit and trial method. Okay, trial and error method. So for n bit it is efficient, for n bit require n number of clock pulses, but in the previous that RAM type or RAM type ADC or counter type ADC, we need more number of counter clock pulses, but here one clock pulses for one means n number of clock pulses for n number of bits. Okay, but there we need more. So operation with arrive of start bit, when we start it with arrive of start bit, okay, means it the successive approximation register set D1 this value to 1. Okay, all other 0. So what is the format? It is for 8 bit. For example, I am doing the 8 bit format. It is 1 7 zeros. The output of DAC, digital to analog, this is VD. Okay, the output of DAC VD is now compared with VA, analog input. If VA, the analog input is more than VD. Okay, if analog input is more than means I am getting what? then the MSB is 1 if analog input is more than MSB of the lower bit. Significant MSB is 1, lower significant is 1, means this bit also we will change to 1. Okay, if VA less than VD, means here VD is more. VD is more means here high. Okay, so in that case MSB, the MSB means D1 set to 0 and go to next lower significant bit and process the same process. Okay, so here we need 1 clock pulses for 1 bit. Okay, so our different types of direct type of ADC is over. Now DAC, digital to analog converter, and analog to digital converter specification. Okay, first there are 6 specifications are there. As both specification nearly similar, so I covered all digital to analog to digital converter specification in one slide. Okay, so here first one is resolution. What is resolution for digital to analog converter? It is the smallest change in voltage which produces output or input of the converter. Okay, it means if the smallest change in voltage in the, if we change some value or for the change of some value in the bits or digital value, okay, digital bits, what is the change of the analog value? That is known as resolution. So resolution value in the of LSB. So resolution value in volt is equal to VFS divided by 2 to the power n. N is number of bits. N minus 1 is equal to 1 LSB. 1 LSB is what? VFS by 2 to the power n. N is number of bits. So it states that if we change one bit of the input change, what is the change in the output value? That is known as resolution for digital to analog converter. Second one is linearity. Okay, for analog to digital converter, for analog to digital converter, resolution is smallest change in analog input for 1 bit change in output. If 1 bit will change in the output, what is the input value changes? That is for ADC. Okay, analog to digital converter. For digital to analog converter, it is the change in, if we change the input side 1 bit, what is the change in the output side voltage? Okay, both same concept, only here in the analog to digital, digital to analog converter, if we change 1 bit in the input, okay, what is the output? That is digital to analog converter. Analog to digital, if your output side change 1 bit, what is the change voltage? Means resolution or point. What is the change in the input side? Okay. Then the second is linearity. It is it inform digital to analog converter or analog to digital converter output how close to ideal transfer characteristic, means how it is nearly to ideal transfer characteristic. It measures the deviation of, it measures the deviation of actual output from the fitted line. Okay, actual output minus, so formula of linearity is E by delta, where E is the error, delta is step size. Next is accuracy. Accuracy is what? Absolute accuracy is maximum deviation between actual converter output and ideal converter output. So it is the accuracy is what? It is the maximum deviation between actual converter output and ideal converter output. Relatively accuracy is maximum deviation after gain and offset errors have been removed. Okay, because if you remove the gain and offset, always accuracy is maximum. Okay. Monotonicity. Monotonic DAC is one whose analog output increases for increase in digital input. For a digital to analog converter, if we change the input, means if we increase 1 bit, then output will change. This is the simple process, that is monotonic. Okay, monotonic characteristic is essential in control application, otherwise oscillation can result. Okay, if monotonic characteristic is not there, there may be possible of oscillation. If you increase, that should be increase. Okay, in DAC, monotonic error should be less than plus or minus, digital to analog converter, plus or minus LSB by 2 at each output level. At each output level, there will be LSB by 2. Then fifth characteristic is settling time. It represents the time it takes for the output to settle within the specified band plus or minus LSB by 2 of its final value following a code change at the input, usually full scale change. What it depends, I am repeating again. It takes the output to how much time it takes the output to set up. Okay, plus or minus and SPPIO. It depends upon switching time of logic circuit due to internal parasitic inductance and capacitance. Next, last point is stability or characteristic is stability. Okay, specification. Last specification is stability. The relevant parameters such as offset, gain, linearity, error, and monotonicity must be specified over the full temperature and power supply. Stability means stable, so this should be relevant parameter must be specified over full temperature and power supply. Thank you. I think you got the concept. Any doubt, you can clarify by asking the questions.